Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll walk you through a super simple, step-by-step guide on how to use Canva's grids and frames. These tools make it easy to create clean and professional designs. Let's get started. Adding a grid. First, let's add a grid. Go to the Elements tab on the left side of your Canva screen. Type Grids into the search bar. You'll see different grid layouts pop up. Click on the one that fits your design, and it will automatically be added to your canvas. Placing images in the grid. Now that you have your grid, it's time to add images. Simply drag and drop your photos from the Uploads tab into each section of the grid. The grid will automatically adjust the images to fit perfectly. This keeps everything neat and aligned. Adding a frame. Next, let's add a frame. Go back to the Elements tab and type Frames into the search bar. Choose a frame shape you like and drag it onto your canvas. Just like with the grid, you can drop an image or video into the frame, and it will automatically fit the shape. Combining grids and frames. For a more dynamic design, try combining grids and frames. Start by setting up your layout with a grid. Then add a frame inside one of the grid sections. Drag your image or video into the frame, and you'll have a polished, professional design in minutes. And that's it, Genius Junkies! With these simple steps, you can use grids and frames to create beautiful, organized designs in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy Canva tips. Thanks for watching.